Hey guys, let's see how to turn off a screensaver on an Amazon Fire TV, right? So it's pretty simple. If you're watching a movie, for example, you pause the movie and you don't want the screensaver to start, just come here using your remote control, right? Go here to the settings and then look for display and sounds. There we go. In here, gonna look for screensaver. That's the one. And just go down and look for start time. Here's 5 minutes. I'm just set to never and I'm good to go. Okay, so when I'm back home, it's working now. So the screensaver is no longer working, right? So that's the way you can turn off the screensaver on an Amazon Fire TV, right? I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.